mathematics as a subject, but the foundation of innovation, reasoning and problem solving that shapes our everyday life. On behalf of the Department of Mathematics, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all our respected dignitaries, esteemed faculty members and dear students. Dance, just like mathematics, follows rhythm, symmetry and patterns. To set the tone for today's celebration, we have a graceful welcome dance performance by Krutika and Amisha. So let us put our hands together and welcome the performers.
गजानन
brilliant performance. Every great beginning is marked by light and positivity. Now, I would like to invite our dignitaries for the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony, symbolizing knowledge, wisdom, and enlightenment. Thank you, respected dignitaries. May this light guide us toward the program. It's my great honor and privilege to introduce our esteemed guest for today, Dr. Prakash Ahire. Dr. Ahire, sir, is a highly respected academician in the field of mathematics education, with an impressive teaching career spanning over 30 years. Currently serving as an assistant professor at PS College of Education, Pharmagudi, Goa. He has also taken on leadership roles such as in-charge principal, reflecting his dedication and capability in the field of education. He also holds an exceptional academic background including Masters in Mathematics, B.Ed, M.Ed and PhD in Education, along with having qualified prestigious examinations like UGC NET and SET. Dr. Ahire sir is not only a teacher but also a researcher and innovator. He has presented numerous research papers at national and international seminars and conferences, particularly focusing on innovative teaching methods, ICT in education and mathematics pedagogy. His contribution to education goes beyond the classroom. He has also served as a resource person, examiner, judge, and chief guest at various academic platforms, inspiring both students and educators alike. Adding to his remarkable achievement, Dr. Ahire sir was recently honored with the Distinguished Academician Award 2026 at the International Academy of Science and Research, Kolkata, recognizing his outstanding contribution to the field of education. With his vast experience, deep knowledge, and passion for teaching, we are truly fortunate to have him with us today. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Dr. Prakash Ahire sir. Now, as a gesture of a heartfelt welcome and respect, I request Bhargavi to present a floral bouquet to our esteemed guest. It is now time to express our gratitude to the pillars of our institute. I would like to invite Sneha to present a token of love to our respected principal, Dr. George Matthews, sir. And I invite Rutuja to present a token of love to our program in charge, Ms. Gauri. I invite Kritali to present a token of love to Gautam, sir. I invite Rutuja to present a token of love to Shravan, sir, as a judge for tattoo and talent search. I invite Kritali to present a token of love to Venkatesh, sir, for tattoo competition judge. I invite Rutuja to present a token of love to Diptesh, sir, as a judge for math, round and meme competition. I invite Shreya to present a token of love to Ashish, sir, for Rangoli competition judge. I invite Pallavi to present a token of love to Akshata ma'am as a talent search judge. And I invite Kirtani to present a token of love to Samir, sir. To give us deeper insight into the significance and value of mathematics and how it shapes our thinking and understanding, I now invite Rutuja to share a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. Imagine you are trying to communicate with someone from a completely different part of the world or even a different planet. You don't speak their language and they don't speak yours. What is the one thing you could show them that they would instantly understand? It wouldn't be a word. It would be a ratio. It would be the fact that 2 plus 2 is always equals to 4. Today, we celebrate the only language that is truly universal, mathematics. The word in World Mathematics Day is the most important part. It signifies two powerful truths. One is a borderless language. Math transcends every culture, religion and geography. Whether you are in Tokyo, New York or right here, the laws of gravity and the geometry of a circle remain the same. It is that one tool humanity uses collectively to understand the stars and manage the earth. Second is, it becomes a global community. On this day, millions of students over 150 countries engage in the same challenges at the same time. It reminds us that we aren't just students in a classroom. We are part of a massive global network of thinkers and problem solvers. To truly appreciate today, we have to look back on March 14, 2007. It was launched, Mathematics Day was launched on March 14 to coincide with Pi Day. It signifies 3.14. While Pi Day honors a specific mathematical constant, World Mathematics Day was created to expand that energy to the entire field of math. Established by 3P Learning, the goal was to gamify learning. They wanted to prove that math could be as exciting as a sport. In its very first year, nearly 3 lakh students broke a Guinness World Record by answering 38 million questions in 24 hours. It was started to show that logic and numbers can unite the world. Beyond the competitions and the history, World Mathematics Day is vital for 3 reasons. Firstly, it powers the modern world. We often think of math as a dusty textbook, but it is the invisible code behind every smartphone, every bridge, and every medical breakthrough. Without math, there is no internet, no space travel, and no modern medicine. Secondly, it builds critical thinking. Math teaches us how to analyze a problem, break it into parts, and find a solution. It trains our brains to look for evidence and logic, skills that are essential in every part of life, not just in science. Thirdly, it conquers fear. Many people say, I am just not a math person. This day exists to change that narrative. It is a day to play with numbers, solve puzzles, and realize that math isn't about being smart. It is about being curious. So, as we celebrate today, let's look past the formulas and see the patterns. Math isn't just about fixing X. It's about figuring out why. Let's embrace the challenge and celebrate the beautiful logic that connects us all. Happy World Mathematics Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Rutuja. I now invite Karina to give a token of love to Pranjali ma'am as the main judge. Now comes the most exciting part of the event, Sigma Stars, the talent search competition. This platform celebrates creativity to the lens of mathematics. Before we begin, here are a few guidelines. The competition is open to all students. The performance must be related to the theme, what is mathematics according to you? Participants should perform individually. The performance can include drama, dance, poetry, speech, acting, music, or any other creative talent. Each performance should be 3 to 4 minutes long. Participants may use props, costume, chart, or background music if needed. The performance should be original and creative. Any language can be used. Participants must maintain discipline and respect to other performers during the competition. I request the judges to kindly take the seats. Starting us with our first participant, Ms. Suraksha Redkar. The next participant, Lysidian Fernandez, kindly be ready.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव सुरक्षा रेडकर आहे आणि माझ्या कवितेची शीर्षक आहे गणिताची किमया. गणित माझा प्रिय विषय निर्माण करतो मनात संशय. काय असेल बरं याचं उत्तर? प्रश्नातच दडलंय प्रश्नाचं उत्तर. जीवनाची ही गोष्ट तशीच असेल, प्रत्येक पावलात संघर्ष दिसेल. समस्या ही सोडवायची कशी? प्रेम आपुलकीची पद्धत तिची. सकाळी उठून घड्याळ पहा, गोलाकारात त्या आकडे पहा. या आकड्यातच चाले दिनचर्या, गणितच आहे त्याचा पाया. चपाती लाटताना आकार गोल, पंखाही फिरतो गोल गोल. पंख्याला मिळे एसीची साथ, आयती आकाराचा करे गरमीवर मात. वर्ष कोणतं आणि तारीख काय, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान हे सहज कळते काय. आयु किती आणि उंची काय कळायचे असल्यास करेल गणितच सहाय. प्रत्येक टप्प्यावर होतो गणिताचा वापर, गुणाकार भागाकार करतो आपण हर एक दुकानावर. अधिकाने होते माणसांची जोड, भागाकार करून द्या सर्वांना मूल. अधिकाने होते माणसांची जोड, वजा करून वाईट संगती सोड. भागाकार करून द्या सर्वांना मोल, गुणाकाराने वाढे प्रेम अनमोल. पठण करण्याची गरज नाही, काय लिहावं यावर विचार नाही. केवळ उत्तर सोडवण्याची पद्धत पहा अन अचूक उत्तराचा आनंद घ्या. हा मेंदूचा खेळ आहे, सर्व आकड्यांचा मेळ आहे. इथे शून्यालाही मोल आहे, त्याला जोडले तर आकडे अनमोल आहे. पैशांचा हिशोब खरेदी करताना गणिताचा उपयोग होतो नाना. प्रत्येक कणात दडलेला आकार, गणितानेच करू जीवन साकार. गणितानेच करू जीवन साकार. धन्यवाद.
That was a beautiful performance. Next, we have Listening Fernandez. The next participant, Kunal Naik, kindly be ready. Okay, we'll take the next participant, Kunal Naik.
नमस्कार. खरें तर म्हळ्यार हांव ट्रेजर हंटर आशिल्लो. काल मोरी सर हांगा आयलो आनी म्हणपा लागलो टॅलंट सर्चाक यो म्हणून, आनी म्हणपा लागलो की कविता कर. ते सोडात, आयज रातचो बस आनी कर. म्हाका याद येयली की तो भगवतीच्या देवळान देव कसो येयलो कोणी म्हणटा, एका रातीन एका वातीन तांब्या पितळीची माडी बांदली. ते म्हणल्यार ती कविता म्हाका कशी सुचतली रातीन, ते सुद्दां गणिताचेर. कारण गणिताचो आनी म्हाजो 36चो आंकडो, 3 आणि 6 विरुद्ध दिशे. कोण कोणाचें तोंड पळयना, तरी हांवें तेच्या वांगडा जुळोवपाचे खूब प्रयत्न केलो. तेणें कांय जुळोवन घेवंक ना आनी कसो बसो 10वी काटार पास जालो. पूण आतां हांव कांय किस्से सांगता तुमकां, कारण हो आतां धनुश्य बाण जो हांवें मुकल्ला गणिताचो तो हांव सोडटा, बाण सोडिता पॅरलल खंय वयता तें वचो म्हणटा आनी कितें सांगता तुमकां. तर शाळेन हांव म्हणजे चवथीक बीन कितें जातालें की फिल इन द ब्लँक्स आसताले आनी ऑल्टरनेटिव्ज आसताले. आनी हांव बोटाचे सगळे मोजतालो. हातीची बोटां सगळीं पांयची बोटां मोजतालो किंवा वजा करतालो अशें. कांयच जावंक ना कोणी मागीर आदा पादा कोण पादा रामोजी करता अशें करून हांव ते मागीर पेपर सोडयतालो सगळे. अशेंच फुडें मागीर सगळे जायत वयताले. चवथीक हांव घरा कडेन बसलोलो भायर, आनी भायर आशिल्लें झाडाक आशिल्लीं पानां. भयणी येयली आनी म्हणपाक लागली, कुणाल आतां झाडाची पानां मेज पळोवया. हांव म्हणलें अरे, कारण ती अगणीत आसता, ती मेजूंक शकना. सो प्रयत्न तरी कर. बसलो थंय आनी पानां मोजपाक लागलो. मोजता मोजता थोडीं पानांय पडटालीं. मागीर वजा बाकी थंयसर सुरू केली हांवें. आनी मागीर अशें जायत गेलें आनी दोळे एकदांचो अशें करून मदीं येयले. 2 वरां जालीं. तिरसो बीन जायत म्हणून हांवें तें सोडून दिलें भानगडी. हांवें म्हणलें दीदीक ना कांय काम म्हटलें. कारण शाळेन सुद्दां पळया थोडीं भुरगीं आसतात पळया, ती म्हणटात की हांगा 50 फावटी अशें वयर सकयल करा, मागीर तुमकां हनुमान दिसतलो. तो हनुमान कांय दिसना, परंतु कपाळ मात काळें जावन वयता. सो म्हणलें ह्या भानगडीन पडपाचें ना म्हटलें आनी थंयच्यान भायर सरलो. मागीर शाळेन पळय हांव कशें आसता, बाई भुरग्यांक विचारता. म्हणजे की आतां तशेंच म्हाज्या फ्रेंडांक विचारलें क्लासीन की रौनक, आकाशाक तुवें रौनकाक सांगलें की तुजे कडेन 5 चॉकलेटी आसा. आनी कोणाक सांगलें आकाशाक की तुजे कडेन 5 चॉकलेटी आसा आनी तुवें तितूंतल्यो 2 चॉकलेटी रौनकाक दिल्यो. तर तुज्या कडेन कितक्यो रावल्यो? आकाश म्हणपाक लागलो, बाई 5. बाई म्हणलें तुवें 2 रौनकाक दिल्या. हांव कित्याक दिवं म्हाज्यो चॉकलेटी रौनकाक? बरोबर न्ही, कित्याक दितलो? कारण तो कितको जालो तरी ल्हान भुरगो. पळय आतां हें उदाहरण तुमकां सांगलें. तुमच्या कडेन 2 सिलिंडर आसा आनी 2 सिलिंडरांतलो एक सिलिंडर विठ्ठल काकाक दिया. तुमी दिता जाल्यार ना दिवच्यात. कित्याक इराणाचें थंयसर युद्ध सुरू आहा. सिलिंडर सगळो खंयचो तुमी रांगेन रावतले जाल्यार ना रावचे. इतको सोंपो गणीत विशय. मागीर आमी भाशेचे विद्यार्थी. म्हाजो आनी गणिताचो खरो तर कांय संबंद ना, परंतु भाशेचो साहित्यिकाचो विद्यार्थी ह्या नात्यान आतां पळया की भाशेन आतां आमी किलोमिटर्स मायल्स हे सगळे आसता. आतां म्हाका खंयचें वजन म्हाजें वजन काडूंक जाय म्हाका वजन काट्यार उबो रावचो पडटलो. 50 वयर कांय तें वजन येवचें ना म्हणून तूं वजन काट्यार रावचो पडटलो. तशेंच आतां फळां घेवंक जाय जाल्यार काही डझनाचेर गावता काही किलोचेर गावता. बरोबर की ना? तर म्हाज्या भावाक पाणल्याच्या मांडार धाडलो. आतां गांवान म्हटलो कोणी पाणलो बीन असो रामुलो बीन असो आसता. कित्याक सांग आमकां संवय आसता गांवान गौतमाक गोट्या करचो, मांगेरीश आसत जाल्यार मांगऱ्या करचो. तसो हो पांडुरंगाचो पाणलो. म्हाज्या भावाक घरा कडल्यान सांगून धाडलें कितकी तांतीं हाडपाची. हो त्या पाणल्या कडेन गेलो आनी म्हणपा लागलो, पाणले काका 1 किलो तांतयां दी. आतां म्हाका सांगा तांतयां किलोनी गावता? डझन. आनी थंय 4 जाणां उबे आशिल्ले गांवांतले. सगळे केले अमकेचे चेड्यान 1 किलो तांतयां मागली म्हणून. आनी मागीर ताका नांवूच पडलें 1 किलो तांतयां. आतां अशेंच आतां पळयात किलो डझन हेचेर मातशें हें जाता न्हू. हे सोडात थोडीं भुरगीं कितें करता जाणा. आतां सकाळीं आमी गजर लावन उठता, रातचो आमी टायम पळोवन घड्याळ पळोवन न्हिदता. म्हणजे गणीत सगळ्याकूच आसा. बरोबर की ना? थोड्यांक तें कळना. म्हणजे की हांवूय घुसपातालो 1:15, 1:15, 1:15 बीन अशें 1:15, 1:15 हांवूय गडबडटालो. थोडे भुरगे कितें म्हणटा जाणा 12, 12:30, 1, 1:30, 2, 2:30 अशी करतात. खऱ्या हो वास्तव सच्ची घटना. धन्यवाद.
That was a third brilliant performance, isn't it? Can we have another round of applause for him? Okay, we have our next participant, Miss Lysidine Fernandez.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm going to present a poetry. The name of the poetry is The World of Numbers. The journey of numbers, shapes and size. The journey of numbers, shapes and sizes. Either everything looks too big or too small. This was the only measurement I knew when I didn't know to speak. In the beginning, the shapes looked familiar. The faraway trail of mountains looked like a plate full of samosas. I knew plates, spoons, glasses, but was unknown to its shapes. The only rectangle I knew were the four walls of my corridor. And outside, the only circles I knew were the sun and the moon. During my tender age, when numbers were introduced, they were very loud and clear. But to my tiny ears, they were too heavy. They appeared one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then followed 9 and 10. I sighed. Finally they ended, but unknown that how infinite numbers can be. Then came a surprise. Using them solved my problems. I counted everything I saw. Unknowingly, the numbers entered my life. I fought for one extra chapati. Over everything I felt out of proportion. And when I started going to school, the world of numbers was a puzzle. And as the numbers joined the alphabets, I felt the burden of numbers over my head. Slowly, I feared the maths. They felt like mission impossible, but the shapes and constructions felt like mission possible. When I look back, I understand. I never feared maths, but I feared marks. Thank you.
That was another beautiful performance. Coming up next, we have Suvarna Gaonkar and Miti Shah be kindly be ready.
everyone. I'll be presenting a poem with the title Life is like an equation. Life is like an equation, not always easy to solve. Sometimes full of problems, sometimes it just won't revolve. We search for X like it's hiding in fear, but honestly speaking, even the X doesn't know why it's here. Add some happiness, subtract a little pain, multiply your efforts and try again and again. Look around the nature, maths is everywhere, in the round bright sun and the moon so fair. Flowers in pattern, waves dancing in the sea, even the honeycomb says, geometry, it's me. Trees grow in angle, stars shining in line, maths is quietly working in all life designs. Now here comes my story. Listen, it's true. Once I said, maths, no thanks, I'm through. Too many numbers, too hard to see. So I chose life where maths won't chase me. I picked geography thinking, this is fun. But map said, beta, maths is never done. Scales and distance, graph standing tall. Without a little maths, I would understand nothing at all. Then comes my hobby, needle and thread. Tailoring easy, that's what I said. But inches and measurements started to appear. Math said, surprise, I'm also working here. From cutting the cloth to stitching it right, every small measurement had to be tight. So whether it's maps or designing a dress, maths is behind every little success. So don't be scared when life felt tough. It's just a question, not that rough. Step by step, like solving a sum, the answer will come. Don't just go now. Thank you.
That was absolutely brilliant. Coming up next, we have Mitisha Sudhakar. And Vardhini Borkar, kindly be ready. We have next participant, Vardhini Borkar.
नमस्कार. तर माझ्या कवितेचं शीर्षक आहे गणित आणि जीवन. गणित आणि जीवन एक गूढच थोडं उकल करताना कळतं, हेच तर आहे खऱ्या आनंदाचं कोडं. गणित आणि जीवन एक गूढ थोडं उकल करताना कळतं, हेच आहे खऱ्या आनंदाचं कोडं. बेरीज असावी सुखाची वजाबाकी दुःखाची, बेरीज असावी सुखाची वजाबाकी दुःखाची, गुणाकार स्वप्नांचा व्हावा भागाकार भावा प्रेमाचा, गुणाकार स्वप्नांचा व्हावा भागाकार भावा प्रेमाचा. नात्यांचा होतो गुणाकार, भावनांचा भागाकार नको. नात्यांचा होतो गुणाकार, भावनांचा भागाकार नको. रागाची वजाबाकी व्हावी, हास्याची बेरीज नको. हास्याची बेरीज नको. वर्तुळासारखं मन असावं सगळ्यांना कवेत घेणार. वर्तुळासारखं मन असावं सगळ्यांना कवेत घेणारं. त्रिकोणासारखी जिद्द असावी, तिन्ही कोणांनी मजबूत राहणार. त्रिकोणासारखी जिद्द असावी, तिन्ही कोणांनी मजबूत राहणार. चौकोनासारखी स्थिरता आयुष्याला आकार देणारी. चौकोनासारखी स्थिरता आयुष्याला आकार देणारी. आयतासारखी रुंदी असावी, विचारांना उंची देणारी. आयतासारखी रुंदी असावी, विचारांना उंची देणारी. शून्य जरी दिसतं रिकामं, शून्य जरी दिसतं रिकामं, तरी त्यात शक्ती अपार. तरी त्यात शक्ती अपार. शून्यापुढे उभे राहिलो की संख्या होते हजारो पार. शून्यापुढे उभे राहिलो की संख्या होते हजारो पार. शेवटी कळतं हसत हसत, शेवटी कळतं हसत हसत, गणित फक्त आकड्यांचं नसतं. गणित फक्त आकड्यांचं नसतं. जीवनाच्या प्रत्येक क्षणात तेच तर सुंदरपणे बसतं. तेच तर सुंदरपणे बसतं. धन्यवाद.
माझ्या कवितेचे नाव आहे गणिताची दुनिया. गणित म्हणजे विचारांची शाळा. गणित म्हणजे विचारांची शाळा, अंकात दडलेली ज्ञानाची माळ. 1 2 3 असे मोजत जाऊ, 1 2 3 असे मोजत जाऊ, हळूहळू पुढे आपण शिकत राहू. बेरीज केल्याने संख्या वाढते, बेरीज केल्याने संख्या वाढते, वजाबाकीने कमी होत जाते. गुणाकाराने होतो विस्तार, गुणाकाराने होतो विस्तार, भागाकाराने वाढतो संसार. समीकरणे सोडवू हळूहळू, समीकरणे सोडवू हळूहळू, चूक योग समजून जाऊ, टप्प्याटप्प्याने पुढेच जाऊ. प्रश्नामध्ये लपलेले उत्तर खास, प्रश्नामध्ये लपलेले उत्तर खास, शोधताना वाढतो ज्ञानाचा प्रकाश. रेषा, कोन आणि विविध आकार, रेषा, कोन आणि विविध आकार, भूमितीत दिसतो जगाचा विस्तार. वर्तुळ, त्रिकोण, सुंदर भास, वर्तुळ, त्रिकोण, सुंदर भास, निसर्गात त्याचा दिसतो वास. वेळ मोजायला घड्याळासाठी, वेळ मोजायला घड्याळासाठी, पैसे मोजायला गणितच साथी. मोजमापातही त्याचा उपयोग, मोजमापातही त्याचा उपयोग, गणितामुळे होतो सगळा योग. भीती नको गणिताची मना, भीती नको गणिताची मना, सरावाने मिळते यशाची दिशा. दररोज थोडे थोडे शिकूया, दररोज थोडे थोडे शिकूया, आत्मविश्वासाने पुढे जाऊया. गणित आहे हे आपला मित्र खरा, गणित आहे आपला मित्र खरा, जीवनात देतो मार्ग नवा. आनंदाने शिकूया हे ज्ञान, आनंदाने शिकूया हे ज्ञान, गणितामुळे होईल उज्ज्वल भविष्य आपले महान, गणितामुळे होईल उज्ज्वल भविष्य आपले महान. धन्यवाद.
That was truly a fantastic display of creativity and talent. Each performance showed us a unique perspective of mathematics. Let us give our participant a huge round of applause. Now I request our esteemed guest Dr. Prakash Ahire to address the gathering and share his valuable insight. Sir, the stage is yours.
Respected guys, the principal sir, our dear professors, and all my dear students from all methods. I observed here everyone has taken the interest in mathematics for Mathematics Day. Not only for math students, I think they are all from methods, right? Am I right? Really, I appreciate you all. And what you do now on World Mathematics Day, for the friend who is sitting nearby you, just do like this. Very good, very good. Because you have taken interest in mathematics. Do that way. Catch it. So nice. Very good. Not to beat, not to beat. Okay. Actually, appreciation is required in everyone's life, right? Even I congratulate this Department of Mathematics, Madam Glory House, Madam, and Mura sir is not here. Even Mura sir and Glory House, Madam has taken lots of effort to make this matrix event beautiful way. Theme is very nice. Think, solve, and create. I have not seen the other active competitions, but Madam told that all the competitions were held beautifully. Treasure and Rangoli competition through mathematics shapes and all that. And one more was there, right? And now the poems were presented here beautifully using the mathematical thinking and all that. Mathematics is very much useful in everyday life. One experience I want to share with you all. In 2009, I used to travel from Mumbai to Nasik. I was not having the knowledge of trains and all that. I used to ask everybody, this train goes to Nasik or not. One day the train was not gone to Nasik, that gone to Pune. So the numbers are very, very important. Instead of asking to someone that train goes to Nasik, a train goes to Pune or somewhere in Madgaon or what, the numbers are there. From that day I realized that numbers are very, very important. Because of the numbers, you are able to identify that where you are going, where is your destination and all that. Now situation now worldwide, now situation is very worst nowadays. One poem just about LPG told something that 8 cylinder, 2 cylinder and all that. We started laughing on that. Because that is the situation now. Even our respected Modi, PM told us that there will be again a situation like that. There will be what case the situation will like that means we have to be very, very careful to use our natural resources in all that. That is why vigilance is required nowadays. So my dear friends, so if there is a vigilance is there in your life, definitely you will be able to adjust the situation through mathematics. Without mathematics, you can't survive. Everybody knows that. Every day, every path, everywhere you go, you have to use the mathematics. We have to use the mathematics. On this occasion, because one of the poems says that dead, adis, sadtin, and you have to go at sadichar, right? So I will have to not talk too much, okay? Okay, thank you very much. You united me for the. This madam told me that talk only little because we have a lot of things in all that. Okay. So I am wishing you all World Mathematics Day. Thank you very much.
Music and mathematics go hand in hand. Both are built on rhythm and harmony. To lighten the atmosphere, we have now a melodious song performance. Let us enjoy the performance.